Welcome to Chichibu. This small valley surrounded by mountains is well known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Known to citygoers for its beautiful scenery, this city is a bit off the beaten path for the average foreigner. In comparison to Tokyo's daunting 9.2 million people, Chichibu City hosts a mere 63,000. This is one of the things that fascinates me about Japan. Just a couple of hours on the train can bring you to an area that's completely different from anything you've ever seen. There are shrines and temples, fascinating abandoned places, family-owned businesses, and charming mountainside cottages around every corner. It feels in sharp contrast with the hectic concrete and neon atmosphere of the city, yet at the same time it feels incredibly close by. We were lucky enough to visit this shrine during the summer passing purification ritual, known as Nagoshi no Harai in Japanese. Held during June or July, this ritual has been performed since ancient times as a way to cleanse participants of misdeeds and protect them from misfortune. As the legend goes, a wandering god from the northern sea asked for a place to stay for the night from two brothers. The wealthy brother refused, while the poor brother, named Somen Shorai, took the god in and shared what little he had. As a reward for his generosity, the god gifted him a chinawa wreath woven from reeds and instructed him to wear it around his waist for protection. Ironically enough, the wreath ended up protecting Somen and his family from a pandemic that befell the land shortly thereafter. So you can see why this particular ritual is so important in 2020.
こんにちは。
びっくりした。大きい人がいるなと思って。あれ、お寺さん？
なんか今ハイキングのなんかサンドをなんか探してますけど。
だったね、雨降ってきちゃったね。
そうですよね。
気をつけて。
気をつけてください。
気をつけてね。
So, just as a quick wrap up for this video, Chichibu was such an amazing place to visit, and even though it was rainy on the day that we went, I honestly think it added to the experience. It kind of felt like we were being teleported into a Ghibli film, or like a spirit was going to whisk us away into the mountains at any point, and it was really amazing. Beyond that, the area is just very culturally important in Japan, and I would recommend that anyone that's in the area or anyone that's going to be traveling in Japan, we hope, we pray, in the next few years, you should definitely check out this area because it was incredible, and all of the Japanese people there were so sweet. Everyone said hello to us. Everyone was super nice and kind, and it just felt very small town, very comfortable, very good to be in as a foreigner, which doesn't always happen. And I also learned so much about Shinto religion and Japanese culture in general that I found it to be a really significant trip. So that's the end of my second video. I'm still really new to this, but I'm having a lot of fun making these, so if you guys are enjoying the Japan content, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe below, and leave a comment of maybe something else that you would like to see in Japan, whether it be an area of Tokyo, or some other temple or shrine, or a mountain, or I don't know, spicy ramen eating challenge, whatever it is. Let me know if there's anything you're really interested in learning about or seeing, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Thanks!